Now, the other thing I wanted to talk about is the waste. So obviously, cutting all these out, you've got lots of waste. And when you cut out your deer and your trees, you've also got a lot of waste here. And the idea I had was, I hate waste, was actually to use the negative parts that was left on the mat to make some little negative pictures like so. And then these I would use to make into a card, or actually use them as tags for presents and things, add a little motif or a sentiment or something, and just something that's a little bit different. And did the same with the big versions as well. These I could actually put a hole in and put glue together and have them hanging on the Christmas tree if I wanted to. I could do the same with these here. But I just wanted to show you, it's a little bit tricky sometimes. So, as I say, you peel off your bits off your mat and you're left with the negatives. Okay, so there's the positive and there's the negative, and I'm thinking, oh, I could use that somehow. And so therefore, what I did was to get some washi tape and put a strip of washi tape over, just to keep the pieces in position, and very, very gently then hopefully take it off the mat. It's in position. You put glue on the back, then get your waist of the circle, put it on, and then very carefully pull off the washi tape, and your bits will be stuck on. Now, in the case with the trees, as you can see, there's lots of these little bits, and I'm trying to glue that and going, so what I did was actually get my these two waists I've picked up with a washi tape, put glue behind and stuck it down. But these bits I actually placed the positive back over, and then with a marker pen I just then quickly filled in all these little bits, because I didn't think it was worth trying to glue the little bits, it was a bit tedious, and filled it in and created a stencil basically. So use this as a stencil to fill in that area. So that's one tip to using up the waste that you're left with from doing this project. So it then produces another project. So these could be put onto a elongated card, for example, which I will make up and show you on another project. But anyway, thought this idea would be interesting and hope you like it. And as I say, the file, that's the size of the snowflake at the cutting file as it is, and it's around about 3 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. Okay, that's as it is. These, with the really fine detail, I wouldn't shrink down too much. Okay, if you go really small, you're going to have problems in it trying to cut out the deer's antlers, and you're going to have them. But these, that one, and that one, I don't think you'll have any problems when you're trying to shrink it down to cut the deer out, because it's a much solid shape, so therefore you should be okay in shrinking that down. And I'd take it, not too small obviously, but around about 1 3/4 inches would be fine. Okay, if you want a smaller tag to make for a tag, for example, a small snowflake. But you can enlarge it, and you can put this onto your 12 by 24 inch mat, and as I say, that's an A4 size piece of card, so it can go in bigger if you've got the 12 by 24 and make them really huge, which would be great. But anyway, that's just a nice little idea I thought you'd like. And the fact that they're double-sided as well. You can turn them into spinners to hang or make a mobile or whatever, or to decorate your mantelpiece. But anyway, I will put some more photographs up showing completed projects when I've done them.